Hi my lovely friends, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to prepare drumstick curry, मुर्गियाँ curry in Malayalam, and in Hindi सेजने की फली की सब्जी. Okay, so these are our basic ingredients: tomatoes, 2 medium size, 4 cloves of garlic, small ginger, a half an inch of ginger, a medium size of onion. This we will just now finely chop. Okay, this we will grind and make a paste out of it. This also we will grind, ginger and garlic, with some dry ingredients and some whole garam masalas. With this we will need the main ingredient, and that is drumsticks. Okay, cleaned and now washed and soaked in water. Okay, this is coriander powder. I have taken half tablespoon. Okay, half tablespoon of coriander powder, and I have taken 1 full tablespoon of red chili plus half a teaspoon more. Okay, and for turmeric I have taken 1/4 teaspoon. This one, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Okay, fennel seed is 1 tablespoon. With these 4 ingredients we will add cloves long and black pepper, kali mirch, cinnamon stick 2, and this is star anise. Okay, first I will add all this whole garam masala. Then I will add coriander powder, fennel seed. Next ingredient is red chili and turmeric. Now to this we are going to add garlic cloves and small ginger. This ingredient is mustard seed and curry leaf. This we will use to temper it. Okay, so I'll show you when and how you will do it. Okay, so I'll just make paste and I'll show you. I have grinded and the paste is ready. Next is switch on the gas. I'll keep on a medium flame. Okay, and then I'll add oil. Okay, so I've added oil. Oil is heating nicely. To this I'll add mustard seeds. Now when mustard seed started crackling, 1 onion I have shown you medium size. I've cut in small pieces like this. So now you can keep the flame in low. And then we will add this masala what we have grind. Little bit of water. Again we will mix it. Now in low flame we will cook this masala till the oil starts oozing out. See, the bubbles started coming. Okay, meanwhile what I am going to do in the same mixing jar, okay, I will add those 2 tomatoes what I have shown you. I'll grind and make a paste out of them. I'll add here in this gravy. And again we will cook. Little more water I'll add. Okay, let this cook and we will wait till the oil comes out. Okay, and here we will add salt also. Salt is according to your taste. Here I've added salt, and then I'll add curry leaves also. So we will keep in medium flame and cook till the oil start oozing out. As you can see friends, the oil has started oozing out. Have you seen? Yeah. At this moment we will add our drumsticks. Okay. And we will add little bit of more water for the gravy. So I am adding little bit of water. And drumstick doesn't take too much of time to cook, maximum 15-20 minutes. Let it cook and I will show you the final drumstick curry. Okay. So friends, our curry is ready. Our drumstick curry is ready. So please try this once. It's a very healthy recipe. Try this with chapati or any type of rice, even with parathas. Everything it will go good. Please subscribe to my channel. Share with your friends and family. Hit the notification bell. Bye bye.